Good morning, everyone. It's 29 degrees out. We're getting to winter here, and probably one of the last days of fishing, unfortunately. The water's 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and means it's kind of almost over here. So I'm going to try and do some striped bass fishing and see if we can get one. Thanks for joining. Man, everything's frozen. The Procure's frozen. It's like coming out in weird chunks. It's gross. But these bass are here. I think they're right underneath me. Just started marking them. They're here. Might have to troll for these guys. They're here. They're just not active. So water temperature is 38. And I'm marking these striped bass, but they're sitting deep. They're on the bottom, just sitting there. Like probably not even moving. So, oh, there's a bite. Got one. We got one. Nice. That's what's up. That's how I was trying to just get my jig on the bottom and slow troll for them. I think we just got one. It's fighting strange, though. Pretty sure it's a striper. It's right where I was marking them. So I just dropped my jig down to, 14 feet. And you can see them. They're on the bottom, just sitting there. And this guy's being really weird, fighting strange. What's up, bud? Just waking you up, I know. Don't worry, I'll get you back quick. I know you're in winter mode already. I get it. Really nice fish, though. This is a local to this area. Local hero, I call him. Jeez. All right, bud. Try this troll again. I can't seem to get him on the cast and retrieve, even with a really slow retrieve. Oh, just got another bump. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Oh, nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. On the 1/4 ounce. I had a feeling the small profile was gonna get them. I had a feeling it was gonna get the small ones too. Because those big stripers aren't really interested in small meals, if you know what I'm saying. But it's nice to catch fish. That guy had a mark on him. Like he had been beaten up before. Here comes that sun. Hopefully it'll get these fish going. I'm marking them. They're just being like, I don't know, they're being picky and they just seem sluggish. They seem like they're in their winter mode. Just not really interested in eating, you know? Which I totally get. This kayak's like an ice skating rink. It's all frosted over. It's probably time to call it quits on this season, huh? Really dragged out this year. Started in March, ending in December. Long season, man. It's gonna be starting back up again before we know it. There we go. Got something. Feels like a striper. Is that bluefish? No, it's striper. Damn, I am like creeping my jig on these fish. Just going so slow. They're hiding under these docks. Nice fish. They're like sitting underneath these people's docks. It's pretty fascinating, actually. Just locked into a serious fish, but I think this battery is about to die. I could get it on this camera. Pretty rolling. It's got a nice fish. Nicer. Still schooly though.